Shiba Inu holders, Ethereum holders, welcome back to another video. And this time we're going to be looking BlackRock just buying 600 million of Ethereum. So let's take a look at these transactions. Be sure to smash that like button if you haven't already. BlackRock, and I just made a Twitter Central News YT, so you guys can see the latest updates. So follow me there if you haven't already, if you want latest news. So from Coinbase Prime, you can see BlackRock buying $600 million of Ethereum. This actually spiked ETH, and it's a very good indicator that ETH might be going up in some time. Maybe not exactly now, but we have been waiting for a long time, or it could make, some big gains. Because if somebody knows something, it's going to be BlackRock, right? And Ethereum just outperformed Bitcoin in the quarter for the first time since quarter 4 2022. I mean, that was one of the biggest, hardest mistakes of my life, probably. But trusting Ethereum so much. Could Ethereum finally start leading the market again? And I think not. I think Ethereum is still a bit behind. Ethereum has a chance and messed up proof of work. No one cares what ETH is doing. So it definitely seems like BlackRock now holds 4.38 billion worth of Ethereum. That's 42% market share. So they hold a very large majority of ETH, of the ETFs. So the ETFs, but something that people don't understand is this is just Ethereum ETFs. And of course, they're going to hold that much because this is what people are holding. They're holding it for them. So it's not directly them holding the tokens. They're not holding 4 billion. No, the people who bought ETF through them are holding the ETH. So if you understand me, there's a lot of people that bought for BlackRock the ETFs and then are now like bought them through BlackRock. They didn't buy them through like Invesco or Bitwise or Grayscale. They bought them from BlackRock because it has 0.25% fees and people like using it. But the important factor is this is actually bought by BlackRock. See, from Coinbase Prime hot wallet to their BlackRock Ethereum I guess more people have bought it. So I'm not too sure if people have bought this, or it could be that they had to buy it because of the inflow. So this is a very important factor. Now that the Ethereum price went up, it means that if someone buys on their ETF, they need to buy it on the platform itself. They needed to buy it on Coinbase. So just let that sink in, that this is why potentially BlackRock bought so much Ethereum, which is good. It actually does boost the price. When someone buys an ETF, they actually need to hold that. We saw what happened with FTX, but this doesn't mean that BlackRock directly is holding 600 million. It means that someone through BlackRock bought it. But it's still a very good phrase overall. And I think Ethereum right now has been performing very badly. Like, even if you look at the community, it's very upset. So let's take a look here. Ethereum is a pivotal point challenging 2,500. A successful flip could launch the launch pad to 8K. Like, we're still so far away from 8K. And I think it's just, at this point, kind of crazy on what's going to happen with Ethereum. Like, people are doing price predictions, but anything can crash at this price level. And I think most people will not sell, like, at this price point. So, like, Ethereum is nearing the Wyckoff liftoff phase, raising questions about its potential to reach a new high. Stay tuned for updates on Ethereum market movements. So, like, look at that. I think that would be awesome, but this is not what's happening to Ethereum, People have bought high and sold low, and I think that's the biggest problem right now. This guy made $15,000 with ETH trading. And that's just in crypto, you can make that much money. But I think it's a pretty clear thing that Ethereum right now is a make it or break it. This next 2 years are going to be very influential for ETH. It dropped so much compared to Bitcoin. Anyone who bought Bitcoin or any other two tokens would have made a ton of money. So I don't want to check here because there's a ton of stuff that I don't even want to read. It does seem like the new liftoff Wyckoff update is coming for ETH. The biggest issue is how many people will focus on the price here. How many people will go ahead and say, hey, Ethereum, it's going strong, it's going awesome. So we gotta make it big. we got to make it big with Ethereum. Like right now, it's not doing that well. And I'm definitely hoping Ethereum is going to be stronger at this price level, because right now it's a very good buy. That's what Benjamin Crypto said. But we aren't seeing the prices yet going up. So just let that sink in, that Ethereum right now, very good buy, not financial advice, but Ethereum's whales are still selling it. They'd rather buy Bitcoin because it's less risk and same rewards. That's the biggest issue in crypto. Sometimes you got same rewards for buying another crypto. So yeah, guys, smash that like button.